Hi everyone, I am back with an Aliexpress haul and it's a big one today. We've got lots of goodies arrived in the post and I have been making a couple of little things, but these are quite easy to show you. So let's move these to the side for a moment and I will show you. No, Charles, this is my time. I will show you what we have got. So this I absolutely love. It is this lovely tassel trim and it was £1.93. I think it's a yard, I think so, but look at this. This is just gorgeous, and I mean you could even excuse me, on tags and things just use don't bite it, a little bit, or you could have that on the bottom of your a journal, on the side of a journal. I mean, just look at this. It is just too delicious. It really is gorgeous. Look at that. How lovely is that? So that was £1.93. I believe it's a yard, but it's, I don't know how many inches that is either. I don't know. Let me, kicking that. Let me just see with me. Trusty ruler. 12, 24, 36 inches, if you want to know in inches. But look at that. Just too delicious to decorate your craft things with. Craft things, what's the word I'm looking for? Your creations. Right, okay, so that's tassel trim. I have ordered some more of my lovely lace because it's 10 yards for 63 pence. What's interesting is last time it was a cream one I got, but this is more, a little bit more yellow, so it is a different shade, but it doesn't matter. I will still use it and it will give me lots of different lace to use on my projects. Projects was the word I was looking for. Now look at this die set. I love it. Not the stamp, ignore the stamp set. The stamp set was 48 pence, but look at this bag topper. This bow bag topper. I've put a little embellishment. Takes 2 minutes to make, and this was £3.83. I just absolutely love that. I think that is just super cute. You know, if you want to give someone a little gift and make it look that little bit more lovely, or lovelier, I should say. That wasn't very good grammar, was it? And the little stamp set was 48 pence as well. So that's a gorgeous. I will be using that one a lot for sure. I have a couple of stamp sets. Let me grab an envelope. Now these are £1.54 each, and this one is just all stamps, but they're quite big stamps. I mean, look at that one. They're really good. I really like them. I have a few sort of stamps, but this one, they are quite big. I mean, this bottom one is about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, so they're quite big stamps, but just gorgeous. So £1.54. And then we have this one with a postcard and some more stamps and some little splodges and a little bit of script. It's got a little bit of everything in there. It's got a postcard and some little stamps. So I do have another postcard, but I like this one and it's really cute. So then lovely stamp sets to go into my collection. Now, what else do we have? Oh, bags. I found some more brown paper bags. Look at these. If you're doing sort of a wildlife one, these are £1.29 for 12. But look at these bags to go in your other bags or envelopes. I would say they're more bags to go in your project. So we've got that little Bambi there, and then we have these different ones. Look, Just thought that they were adorable. They're a nice size as well. So £1.29 for 12 pieces. So they're going in my bag collection. I use them when I send out my happy mail and things. I do have some different things in here today, which are a little bit different. I know, are crochet hooks. It's not to do with paper crafting, but I needed to order some for something else I was doing. And look at these. There is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 crochet hooks, and they're £2.12, and they go from, I would believe that would be a 2. No, I'm not sure. But yeah, look, £2.12. So if you're looking for some crochet hooks, I know they're not to do with paper crafting, but I do other crafts as well. And these I thought were cool. There's 120 pieces. They're for cakes and little baggies and things, and they're just thank you stickers, but in French, obviously. I just thought that they were quite cute to put on little bags to seal them, you know. So we've got those. I have also another stamp set here, which is all feathers, and this was £1.50. And they are big feathers as well. So it's a nice stamp set. We have these lovely, I don't know if you can see them through this. Let me grab a dark envelope and show you these stencils, or, you know, to do your stenciling. Yes, stenciling. We use a sponge stenciling. Oh my gosh, my brain is just not working today. And this one is all bird cages. These were 67p each. So you've got this branch, and you've got these bird cages on that one, and then these ones are just birdies. So again, if you're doing a wildlife or a bird journal, they would be cool. And then I have 2 great big ones. This one is Paris, and it's got vintage design. It's got a crown. The most important things in life aren't things. That'd be lovely to put on a page. And then we have this one, which is Welcome to Our Nest, Home Sweet Home. I ordered this one by accident, actually. I don't know how that happened. Don't know if you'd be able to use that in a journal, but anyway, anywho, £1.28 they were. And then coming up to the last couple of bits, oh, there are these stickers, they go over there. I ordered a 6x6 paper pad. The first one I've actually ordered from Aliexpress, because I do get mine from the range, but I wanted something to do with foxes. So it was £2.72, and it is all these cute foxes. It's all fox paper, look. Very yummy. But that was for a specific person, so I ordered it. But it's very nice paper, actually, very good quality. If I can get it back in the pack. All of the links to these products will be in the description below, as normal. Then I have these, which are really cool, and quite excited about these. Now, they're all like vintage ephemera. They're £3.27, but they're actually stickers. These are all got, you know, you can peel them off and stick them down. So there's a lot of vintage ephemera, but you can, you know, obviously stick them onto cardstock or projects that you're doing. Just quite cool. And I think there's 27 pieces in here. Some that I haven't actually got, some of these. Library cards, look, Grimm's Fairy Tales, that's quite cool. I like that. More library cards. Adverts, but like I said, they're all stickers, which are different. I've got a lot of ephemera, but I haven't got stickers, ones that are stickers. So these are quite cool. I quite like these. Like a little check. keep this book clean. Do not turn down the leaves. That's quite cabin. Oh, look. Baggage check. These are really cool. Really like these. So they're going in my stickers. And they were £3.27. And then the last thing I have are these. £1.55 for 22. And again, these are ephemera, but they are stickers. So look, got lots of little tickets here that you can stick down on your projects. Just really cute. We love ephemera, don't we? So yeah, these are a bit different, a little bit different. I actually didn't realise when I ordered them that they were stickers. I thought they were just card, but you know, you can stick them down onto card if you want to make them a bit more sturdier, or you can just stick them on your project. So they were really cool. And like I said, they were £1.55. So that's what has arrived today in the post. So I've got lots of goodies to put away. Don't know what happened to that welcome to my nest one. How I ordered that one, I do not know, but never mind. Right, okay, so I will see you all in a bit, because I've got one more video to do for today. Hopefully I'll get them all uploaded and put them on. So I hope you're all well and having a lovely weekend, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.